6 Sundown NSB 415s, 3 Crossfire 16Ks at 1 ohm, C-Max 270s, Pioneer 80 PRS of course, Sherwin Vega 6.5, and that's it.
I like this. You got it, like where you can. Yeah, I know you probably not. You might not like it, but it's pretty cool.
It's okay.
Yeah. And what was the box tuned to on it?
32 hertz.
32.
It was built by Scott Bowman.
Scott Bowman. Do you know how much cubic space you're dealing with?
There are about 4 1/4 per sub.
4 1/4. Okay.
Roughly.
Yeah. Nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Pretty nice speakers.
They're actually 6.5 with their own horn, so they're pretty good.
Nice.
My name is Rich Hoffman, and I'm at Richards_basshead_movement on Instagram, and my YouTube is ContourBass954.
All right. How does their last name break and you're not having any noise issues?
Jacob, it's so weird. This thing moves so much, and it leaks water, and it hasn't blown.
Wow.
But it's moving like ridiculous.
You've got good silicone across your glass, so as long as you don't get metal contact, you're good. So it looks like whoever did that, you did good on that.
Well, I had the guy, I did crack one a while back.
Yeah.
And I told the guy, I said, when you do this, please use a lot.
Yeah.
And they did a good job.
Awesome.
So,
yep. Sweet.
yeah, man. So,
Have you burped it to see what it
I
means?
never, ever have I done that.
Never mean it.
Never.
Demo musical. Awesome. Yes, sir. Keeps the fun in it.
It keeps us entertained.
Yep. Yes, sir, man. Awesome. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Richards system. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Got a great 2-song demo that we're going to be showing you. Pretty crazy subwoofer flex. A lot of power on tap on these super beefy high motor force 15-inch subs from Sundown, the NSV4s. So if you notice, the amplifiers don't look very big, but look at the size of the bed versus the length of those amps. Those are 16,000 watt RMS each. I can't remember if he had them wired at 1 ohm or at half ohm, but he has a lot of lithium bank, and if I'm sure that I didn't see under the hood this video, but there was 2 alternators under there running in the high 15 volt range. So he's getting all the juice to these subs. I've actually met him 3 different times before this. If y'all remember watching my videos in the past, anybody that's a long-term subscriber, did a really good job with the box. Shout out to Scott Bowman. Total of 48,000 watts. 6 15-inch subs. Don't know what he's clamping. He doesn't give a full tilt demo until the second song is a little bit louder, you'll see. But he gives us the juice in this system video demo. So stay tuned for more videos by subscribing for daily car audio videos and enjoy this 2-song demo. that?
That's actually right at 32.
Wow. Really? Good pressure. Man.
It's not bad. It's the voltage.
Your voltage don't move much either. Yeah, you did good.
I mean, it's sticking, man. I'm not running it full tilt.
Yeah.
Because every time I do,
Yeah.
I fall asleep.
Yeah, don't blow something.
Every time I do, I fall asleep.
Always learn the limits.
I'm tired of it.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
My bed is draped in Gucci linen. When I fucking call me it's getting hot in here. Whoa. I made a lot of girls when I fucking call me it's getting hot in here. Whoa. I made a lot of girls it's getting hot in here. Whoa. I made a lot of girls doing shit because I want to.
A lot more in them, but I'm keeping it right there. So.
Sir, man. Awesome. Thank you very much. You too, Tundra Base.